Good evening to everybody. Good evening to everybody. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. So due to some technical issues, I am unable to open my camera. So kindly adjust today. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So iCare Academy welcomes you. All students of AP and Telangana, we import to training a association with the AP TPO consortium and task. Thank you once again. So entire team of AP TPO and Telangana Academy for Skill Knowledge. Hope are you preparing for Infosys recruitment, right? So okay. So I am Kumar. So I have 10 years plus experience in this field. So I think video and audio is both are okay, I think. Okay, right. Shall we start the session? Right. So just I'll please, if you have any technical issues, please kindly message me. Okay, right. This is Infosys company specific training 2026. So already, sir discussed the syllabus and each and everything in the last class. Just I recall the all the just 1 or 2 minutes. Just we'll discuss the syllabus also. Okay. Just Okay. Infosys on-campus hiring 2026. Your role play is a system manager, 3.6 lakhs per annum package. Total number of questions are 60 and time duration of the test is 2 hours. So, right? There is no changes. So there are total 7 sections in this test pattern. First is a reasoning ability. Total number of questions are 15 and my maximum marks also 15. It takes a 25 minutes time duration. And next one is a technical ability test. This is they're asking 10 questions. Total maximum marks is a 10 marks. Total time duration of the test is a 35 minutes. So technical ability is nothing but arithmetic and reasoning. Arithmetic and reasoning part. Okay, right. Verbal ability contains 20 questions. So this is also weightage 20 marks. So 20 minutes time duration. Next to technical pseudo codes, they're asking 5 questions. So 10 marks. So time duration is 10 minutes. Next, number puzzle test, they're asking only 4 questions. 4 questions having 10 marks. So 10 minutes. So which is also very easy. And next one is English grammar test. They're asking 5 questions, maximum marks at 10. So time duration is also 10 minutes. Next, English written text exam. They're asking 1 question and there is no marks. I think they are communication checking this area. So this is also 10 minutes. Total, we have 60 questions, 60 questions. Maximum marks is also 60. Okay, right. Already saw discussed this one yesterday. Okay, right. So I'm an aptitude and reasoning trainer. So what are the important topics in this reasoning ability and aptitude? So reasoning ability, we will expect 15 questions, 15 marks. So top list of the topics is data sufficiency. They are asking last time 10 questions, 10 questions, but generally they're asking 5 questions in data sufficiency. They asked 10 questions in the last Infosys exam. Next one is the data interpretation. 5 questions. This is a very, very dead easy one. They're asking very basic level questions in this area. Okay, right. Data sufficiency and data interpretation. Next, syllogism and logical deduction. They're asking 5 questions, 5 marks. Okay, this is the reasoning part. And next, technical ability. They're asking 10 questions, 10 marks, quant and logical aptitude. Logical ability. They're asking series and sequences. we will expect at least 1 to 2 marks. Maybe they are asking moderate to difficult questions here. Here they are asking moderate to difficult questions, not easy questions, moderate to difficult questions. Coding and decoding. So we will expect a minimum 1, no, maximum 2 marks here. Coding and decoding. And these are all reasoning topics. So direction test, they're asking 1 or 0 questions. Minimum 0, maximum 1 question. Blood relationship, they're asking 1 or 2 questions. And cryptographic, they didn't ask in the last time. So we will also discuss this one also. They're asking 1 or none. Okay, right. Sitting arrangement, they're asking. So moderate questions, not easy questions. Each question is divided into 3 parts: easy, moderate, difficult questions. But in sitting arrangement, they're asking easy to moderate questions. Okay, right. Next, your ratios and proportions, averages. These two topics we will expect a minimum 1 or maximum 3 marks. So they're asking very easy questions in this area. Percentage is also very easy questions. They asked in last time, very easy questions. We'll expect a minimum 1 or maximum 2 questions. And profit and loss. So 1 or 2 questions. Interest is also same simple and compound interest. They're asking 1 or 2 questions. Mensuration is also 1 or 2 questions. So minimum 1 or maximum 2. Time, speed, and distance. They're asking 1 to 2 questions in this area. Last one is a time and route. These are the important topics. First of all, we have to concentrate on these areas. After that, we will discuss the remaining topics also. So most of the questions are asked in the last time. These topics only. Okay, right. So first of all, Infosys is a very, very easy one. So you can easily crack the aptitude and reasoning. Okay, right. So before going to start this topic, aptitude, before going to start this one, aptitude is very easy when you know the two things. What are the, what is the data? You must know the data. That means you have to understand the question first. Then next one is what is our aim? If you know these 2 points, you can crack each and every question in aptitude. So if you are cracking logical reasoning part, you must know the logic. If you know the logic, you can crack each and every question in logical reasoning. Okay. So guys, please like, share, and subscribe this YouTube channel. Okay, right. So percentages, profit and loss. Here, I won't give the pin to pin details. Just I'm giving the company oriented, Infosys company specific oriented training only. I don't give any basic points or any other boring points. Okay, right. So last year asked questions related ones. Okay, right. So first question: if 16 2/3% of a number is added with itself, then the result becomes 4956. Then find the original. Guys, this is a very easy question. So they're asking 16 2/3% of a number is. If you know the answer, please comment your answer here. Okay, chat box is always open to you. Okay, if 16 2/3% of a number is added with itself, then the result becomes 4956. Then what is the original number? Then what is the original number here? What is the original number? Very good evening. Very good evening. Please comment your answer. Simple. Very good. Very good. 4148. Of course. No, is it correct answer 4148? Please check it once. Okay, right. No problem. No problem. Listen. So 16 2/3% of a number. 16 2/3. We can convert into percentage to fraction. What is the 16 2/3 percentage value in fraction? 1/6. 1/6. So 16 2/3% of a number is added with itself. So number is added. Actually, hello, excuse me. For example, 25% of the number is what? 25% value in fraction is 1/4. Yes or no? So actually, it is a 4 parts number. One part value is 25%. What is the total number? 4 parts number? 100%. 100%. That means denominator value is the original number. That means denominator value is the total marks. That means the denominator value is called as a principal. So denominator value is called as a cost price. Okay, right. This is the original number. Actually, six part number. One part is added. One part is added. Now it is a seven parts. Why? Because if 16 2/3% of a number is added with itself, then the result becomes 4956. Actually, six part number, one part is added. Now it is a seven parts. Seven parts number is 4956. 4956. They're asking original number. Where is our original number? Denominator value is always original number. So six parts equal to how much? Six parts equal to how much? This is the original marks, total number, big number, total marks, cost price, principal. We are taking the denominator. So numerator value is always result. Result. Denominator value is the original number, original value, big number, total marks. So seven parts equal to 4956. One part value, 7 sevens 49, 7 eights 56, 708. 708 into 6 equal to 4248 is our answer. So what is the original number? 4248. Option B is the correct. Simple. If it is a percentage topic, percentage, profit and loss, simple, compound interest, all these four topics are related to percentage. I use this method only. If it is increased, just add the number. If it is decreased, just subtract the number. Okay, have you all understood? Right. Next one. If you have any doubt or any queries, please comment in your comment box. I will clarify your doubts. Okay. Right. Next one. Next one is also same question, but in this case they are asking subtract. Can you try this one? If 11 1/11% of a number is subtracted from itself, then the result becomes 6400. They are asking the original number. Now tell me, what is 11 1/9% of a number? They're asking adding, subtracting, multiplication, dividing, whatever it is. What is the 11 1/9% of a number in fraction? 11 1/9% of the number. 1 by 9. Very good. Is it adding or subtracting? Subtracting. Just subtract the value. Actually, 9 part number. One part is subtracted. 9 minus 1, 8 parts. 8 parts value is given. What is that? 6400. Yes or no? 6400. What is the one part value? 800. 800. 6400 by 8. You will get the one part value. One part value is 800. They are asking the original number. Where is our original number? Denominator value. So 9 into 800 is our original value. 9 8s are 70. So 7200 is the original number. Simple. They're asking if they are asking adding or subtracting. No worry, all are same in percentage, profit and loss, simple, compound interest, same concept. Sometimes they are adding increase. Increase means just add. Decrease means we have to subtract. Our profit means we have to add. Loss means we have to subtract. Terminology, pattern is different, but concept is the same. If you understand the concept, all these questions are very dead easy. Okay, right. Good. Next one. Same question, but I am asking in reverse. Same question, I'm asking in reverse. Can you try this one? Same question, it is a reverse one. Very good, very good. Yamini, Pujita, Tejashwini, and Tejesh, Shravani, Vasant, very good, and very good. Very good, nice, nice, nice. Please comment your answer. Same procedure, there is no difficulty, but I am asking in reverse. Same question, but it is a reverse. Okay. If 21 is added a number, then the result becomes 137.5% of a number. Then find the number. Number means what? Original number. They are asking original number. Actually, 137.5% value in fraction. Don't worry about these fractions. We can split these fractions very easily. Okay, right. So what is the 137.5% value in fraction? So 137.5 value, it can be written as 100% plus 37.5%. Yes or no? Right. 100% value is 1. 37.5% value is 3 by 8. Yes or no? Right. 8 ones to 8 to 8 2 plus 3. 11. 11 by 8. 11 by 8. If 21 is added, actually 8 parts number, how many parts are added? How many parts are added? 3 parts are added. For these 3 parts, how much is added? 21 is added. One part value, 21 by 3, 7. They're asking original number. Where is the original number? Always the denominator value. What is the denominator value? 8. One part value is what? 7. 7 8s are 56. What is the original number? Here is the 56. 56. If you know this fraction value, you can answer this very easily. Your denominator value is always original number. Our answer must be multiple of 8. Only multiple of 8 is which one? 56. Okay, right. So this is a different one. Don't think one question in one way. You have to think in 360 degrees. So in which you can answer the all the directions of the question. Think it is very easy. Okay, right. Same question. There is no change. If it is increase, add. If it is a decrease, subtract. Only these two things. If the length of the rectangle is increased by 37.5% and its breadth is decreased by 20%, then find the percentage change in its area. They're asking percentage change in its area. Now tell me, what is the area of the rectangle? I need not any formulas here. I don't use any formulas, but for your kind information, I'll give the formulas also. But I don't use any formulas in any way. Okay, but rarely I use the formulas. Okay, right. Listen. If the length of the rectangle is increased by 37.5%, length is increased by 37.5%. So 37.5% value in fraction is what? Already we just know 3 by 8. Is it increase or decrease? Increase, just add plus. Okay, right. And breadth is decreased by 20%. What is the 20% value in fraction? 1 by 5. Is it increase or decrease? Decrease means negative sign. So what is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth equal to area. This is the area of the rectangle form. Originally, listen, originally length of the rectangle is 8 units only. Originally length of the rectangle is 8 units. New length. So actually original length 8 units. Now 3 units are increased. 8 plus 3. Now it is new length is 11. Simple, very easy. Actually breadth is 5 units. Actually breadth is 5 units. 1 unit is decreased now. 5 minus 1, 4. What is the area formula? Length into breadth, length into breadth. 5 8s are 40. 11 4s are 44. They are asking the percentage change in its area. Actually, straight. So actually initial original area is 40. Now it is 44. Is it increase or decrease? Yes, increase. How much? 4 increase. So they're asking, therefore, percentage change in its area is equal to how much is change? 4. 4 parts are increased for 40 parts. 4 parts are increased for 40 parts. Then find 100 parts equal to how much? So 0 0 gets cancelled. 4 4 gets cancelled. So 10% of the area is increased. Listen, this is a difficult, I understood, but you can apply this method in 4 topics: percentage, profit and loss, simple, compound interest. We use this concept in the all the topics. Okay, we can solve the all the topics in single method. That is the beauty of this method. Don't worry, there is no difficulty here. Listen first. Listen. Here the length of the rectangle is increased. 37.5% value in fraction is 3 by 8. And its breadth is decreased by 20%. 20% value in fraction is 1 by 5. Increase means that's why I'm taking positive value here. Decrease means just subtract the value. Previous question, add means added, subtracted means subtract the value. Same way. Next problem, profit and loss. They're asking profit means you have to add. Loss means you have to subtract the value. This is the concept. Okay, right. Words are different, but concept is the same. So all these four topics, concept is the same. We can answer all the questions in same way. Okay, right. So actually length is 8 units. 3 parts are increased. 8 units, 3 parts increased. 8 plus 3, 11. Actually breadth is 5 units. 1 part is decreased. 5 minus 1, now it is 4. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. 5 8 to 40. 11 4 to 40. Actually, area of the rectangle is 40 units. Now it is 44 units. So that means 4 units are increased for 40 units. 40 units. Find the 100 parts equal to how much? How much? 10% of the area is increased. Area is increased. Sometimes they are asking 10% increases, 10% decreases. 5% increases, 5% decreases. We can answer this question very easily. 10% of the area is increased. We can use the formulas also. So if they are giving any integer numbers, we can use the next one formulas. Okay, right. So this is the second question. If the side of the square is increased by 40%, then find the percentage change in its area. Use the same method or any other method. That is your choice. Tell me the answer. Please comment your answer. I will give the just a moment, 1 minute. If the length of the square is increased by 40%, then find its percentage change in its area. Please comment your answer. Excellent, Tejaswini, Sidhu. You are giving correct answers, 10%, 10%, 10%. Tejaswi and Shravani, Yamini, Priya. Very good answer, very good answer. No, Infosys placement is for all, boys and girls, not only for girls. Very good, very good. Excellent. Excellent, excellent. Excellent. Shravani, very good. So answer B is the correct answer. Okay, listen. So same procedure or we can use another procedure also. That's your choice. Okay, no problem. So side is increased by 40%. 40% value in fraction is what? 40 by 100. 2 by 5. Is it increased or decreased? Increased. So what is the area of the square? Side into side square. Actually side is original side is listen, original side is originally side is 5 units, denominator value. You have to take always original value denominator. New side is what? New side is 2 parts increased. 5 plus 2, 7 units. What is the area? Side square. So 5 square value 25. 7 square value 49. So original area is 25 units. Now it is 49 units. Is it increased or decreased? Is it increased or decreased? Increased. How many parts are increased? 24 parts are increased. Therefore, percentage change in its area. Percentage change in its area is equal to 24 parts are increased for 25 parts. 24 parts are increased for 25 parts. Then 100 parts equal to how much? 1 by 24. 4 times 4, 24s are 96 percentage. Value is increased. Sir, how did you say increased? Here it is a positive value. That means it is increased. That means it is increased. 96 percentage area is increased. Sir, this is a whole number. We can solve in another way also. Percent into percent by 100. If it is a whole number, you can follow this method. Actually, side area is 100 units. Now it is increased 40 units. 100 plus 40 is 140. So area of the square is side into side. So 100 to 100 gets cancelled. 2 zeros to 2 zeros gets cancelled. 14 square 196. Actually, area is 100 units. Now it is 196. How many parts are increased? 96 percentage is increased. You can use this method also. If there are any integer values, you can use this method. Okay, or otherwise, if it is a fractional value, this is the best method for all the questions. You can use any one of the method. Okay, no worries. Right? Have you all understood? Am I clear so far? Right. Next one is this. Only two things. If it is increase, just add. If it is decrease, just subtract. Only two things. There is no other things. Okay, tell me, what is the answer for this question? Same question. There is no difficulty. Just only two things. If it is increase, just add. If it is decrease, just subtract. Okay. If you like this one, please like our channel, subscribe, and share my channel, iCare Academy. Please comment your answer. So all the information, how to conduct the test and remaining all etc. question. Directors are Dr. Durga Naresh sir will tell the procedure. Okay. Online test is very easy, right? Please comment your answer. Just ask the problems related ones. So if you have any doubts or any other, we'll give the time. And every day you have to write the test. We provide the test in the description box. Go there and practice the test, number of tests. Definitely you will get the success. Okay. Please, what is your answer? Option C. Okay. Option D. Very good. Nice, 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 nice. Excellent. Okay. We'll try. So listen, the price of, we need not to read the all the question. Is it increase or decrease? That is the matter. Increase to 16 2/3 percentage. Tell me, what is the 16 2/3 percentage value in fraction? 1/6. Is it increased? Just add +1. Next one is decreased. How much is decreased? 20%. 20% value in fraction is 1/5. Decrease means take -1. Actually, originally 6 part number. One part is added. 6 plus 1, now it is 7 parts. Actually, originally this is a 5-part number. One part is subtracted. Now it is 4 parts. Right. Just to multiply all these numbers. 6 5s are 30. 7 4s are 28. Actually, 30 units number. Now it is 2 parts are decreased. 2 parts are decreased for 30 parts. Find the 100 parts equal to how much? Right. 2 in 30, how many times? 15 times. 1/15 value? 6 2/3 percentage. 6 2/3 percentage value. Minus indicates decrease. Minus indicates decrease. 6 2/3 percentage value is decrease. Am I read the question? No, just I see. Is it increase or decrease? Only two things. Framing is different. Question framing is different. Just I saw, is it increase or decrease? If you know these two things, you can crack any question easily. The price of the sugar is increased by 16 2/3 percentage, and consumption of family is decreased by 20 percentage. Sometimes they're asking if the price of the cinema tickets is increased to 16 2/3 percentage, and the expenditure has also increased 20%. Find the percentage change. They're asking different. But we have to see only two things. Is it increase or decrease? Okay, clear, right? Easy, very good, very good, nice. So this is also same question. Can you answer this question? Same. If the sales of the cinema tickets is increased by 57 1/7 percentage, and the price of the cinema tickets is also increased by 16 2/3 percentage, then find the percentage change in its revenue. Is it increase or decrease? Simple concept. So only one concept we can answer all these 4 type of answers. 4 type of lessons: percentages, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest. All the topics we can cover only this concept. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Vasant, very good option A. Sujana, just check your answer. Meghana, very good. Nice. Option A is the correct answer. Very good, very good. Nice, 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 nice. Excellent. So, how is it possible? Listen, without using pen and paper, we can answer this question very easily. Listen, the sales of the cinema tickets is increased by 57 1 by 7%, and its price of the tickets is increased by 16 2/3 percentage. Then find the percentage change in his revenue. So listen, without doing any calculation, we can say this question very easily. Both are increased. Our answer must be increased. These two are decreased. Eliminate these two options. If you have a common sense, you can answer this type of questions very easily. Right? So listen, first increase is a 57 1 by 7 percentage. Second increase is a 16 2 by 3 percentage. Our answer must be more than 16 2/3 percentage. Only option A is available, not a 7 percentage increase. It is less than 6 2/3 percentage. That's why our answer is option A is the correct answer. Sometimes, so 20% questions are depends upon your common sense. Common sense. Both are increased, our answer is also increased. If both are decreased, our answer must be in decreased. Okay, remember this point. Right? Nice. Okay, right. So same question they're asking in a different way. A student is multiplied a number by 3 by 5 instead of 5 by 3. Find the percentage error in his calculation. Same method they're asking in different question. So we need not to change this number into percentage to fraction. So already they are giving in fraction value. So listen, very easy. So a student is multiplied by 3 by 5 instead of 5 by 3. Tell me what is the original number here? Original number is 5 by 3. So instead of 5 by 3, he using new number is what? New one is what? 3 by 4. 3 by 4. This is our ratios. 3, 5. LCM is what? 15. LCM is 15. 3 and 5. LCM is 15. 3 how many times? 5 times. 5 5s are 25. 25. 5 3 times. 3 3s are 9. So same. Originally number is 25 units. Now it is 9 units. How many parts are decreased? How many parts are decreased? Please tell me how many parts are decreased. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. What is the answer for this question? Very easy. Yes, 16 units. Out of 25 units, 16 units are decreased. Find the 100 units how much? 25 4 times 16 fours are 64 percentage. Is it increase or decrease? Minus indicates decrease. Same method, there is no difficult. So 64 percentage is decreased. Simple. There is no difficulty. They're asking pattern is different. Whatever it is a factor, whatever it is a question. But our thing is it increase or decrease? Only two things. Okay, clear. Right, next one. So a man's wages was increased by 20%, and afterward it is decreased by 20%. Then find the overall percentage change. I think you all can answer this question. Please tell me the answer. Comment your answer. Nice, 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 nice. Is it 5% as a decreased? B? Uh-huh. All are B, all are B. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Right. So good. Listen here. So listen, first I'll tell the one concept here. So first of all, I have 1,000 rupees. I have 1,000 rupees. My 1 hour salary is supposed to say that 1,000 rupees. So in first year, based on my performance, company gives 10 percentage hike to me. 10 percentage hike. 10 percentage on 1,000 is 100 rupees. Yes, sir. Right. Now my second year 1 hour salary is 1100 rupees. Based on my overaction, they reduced as it is a 10 percentage. As it is a 10 percentage. 10% on 1100 is what? 110 rupees. What is now my salary? What is now my salary? 990 rupees. Is it same? Starting and ending, is it same? No. Why? Because same percentage increase, same percentage decrease, result is always decreased. Remember this point. Same percentage is a different. If it is a rupees, no problem. There is no loss, no gain. If it is talking about percentage, it must be decreased. Remember this point. So here the value is mixed fraction value. So percent into percent by 100. Percent into percent by 100. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. 2 2s are 4 percentage. Value is always decrease. 4% value is decrease, not 5% value. 4% value is decrease. Okay, right. Next one is also same. Can you try this one? Can you try this one? The price of the article is increased by 30% and afterwards it is decreased by 20%. Then find the percentage change. Same question. You can solve in our way or this way. So 30, 20 are integer numbers. We can solve in a different way also. Very good. Nice. Super excellent. Listen. So actually, price of the article is let it be 100. So it is increased by 30%. 100 on 30 increases. Now it is 130 rupees. 100 on 30% increase. Afterwards, it is decreased by 20%. Actually, 100 rupees. 100 rupees, 20 rupees decreases. Now it is 80 rupees. So 100 gets cancelled. 0 cancel, 0 cancel. So now it is 104. Actually, article price is 100 rupees. Now it is 104. Is it increased or decreased? Increased 4%. Simple. Increased 4% is the correct answer. Simple, nice. But they're asking very basic questions in this area. That's why I'm saying you can answer all the questions very easily. Nice. Anusha, Satyapriya, very good. Very good, and very good remaining also. Okay, right. Good. Next one. So this is a population question. So very easy question. Okay, you can do this one. No problem. Just next one. This is easy question. Okay, no problem. Try this one. The population of a town is 1,45,200. If it is increased annually at the rate of 10% per annum, then find the population 2 years ago. They're asking 2 years ago. Can you try this one? Please answer this question. Everybody can do this. Nice. What is it? 2 years ago population. They're asking 2 years ago, not 2 years after. They're asking 2 years ago population. All these type of questions already you know very well. Simple, nice. Okay, no problem, no issue. We'll try this question. Actually, they're asking the population of your town is 1,45,200. So what is the 1,45,200? Current population of the town is 1,45,200. If it is increased annually at the rate of 10% per year, then find the 2 years ago population. Do you know the 2 years ago population? We don't know. Let it be X. 2 years ago population. 2 years ago population equal to X. Okay. Every year it is increased 10%. 10% means 110%. 110%. First year and second year is also increased 10%. Now the population of the town is what? 1,45,200. Simple. But formulas is also there, but I won't use any formulas. Okay, right. If you simplify this one, you'll get the answer. 0, 0 gets cancelled, 0, 0 gets cancelled. Right? So simplify this one, you'll get the answer. 11 one time, 11 ones, 11, 11 threes, 11 twos, 2 zeros. In the same way, 11 one time, 11 ones, 11 twos, 2 zeros. And here is also 2 zeros. This implies x equal to 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. That means 2 years ago population was 1,20,000. That's enough. There is no difficulty. 1,20,000 2 years ago population. They are giving the present population of the town is 1,45,200. They're asking 2 years ago population. 2 years ago population was 1,20,000. Do you understand? If you have any doubt, please comment your doubts. Okay. Right. Good. Good. Next. Next one is also very easy question. You can answer this type of questions very easily. Okay. Right. If the two numbers are respectively 20% and 30% less than the third number, what is the percentage of first number of the second number? I think all you can do this problem very easily. Please tell me which one is the correct answer. Very good. Simple. There is no logic here. There are total three numbers. Option B. Very good. Nice, nice. Very good, Tejasri. Correct answer. Okay, no problem. Listen. So there are total three numbers. First number, second number, and third. Two numbers are respectively 20% and 30% less than the third number. Do you know third number? Let it be 100. 20% less means what? 80. 30% less means what? 70. These are the three numbers. They're asking what is the percentage of first number of the second number. They're asking first number of the second number is what percentage. This is our percentage. So what is the percentage of first number of the second number? First number is 80, second number is 7. So what percentage? 0, 0 gets cancelled. So our denominator value must be 7. Where is the 7? Only option D is our answer. Simple. Or we can say that 8 into 1 by 7 value in terms of percentage, 14 2 by 7 percentage. 14 2 by 7 percent. So if you can multiply this 14 2 by 7 into 8, you will get the answer. 14 2 by 7 into 8. What is the 14 8, sir? 112. 14 8, sir, 112. 112 percentage plus 2 8s, 16 by 7 percent. This is improper. Just one time. 2 7s are 14. That means 114 2 by 7 percentage. Okay, simple, very simple. But if you know the calculation skills, this is very easy. Okay, right. Next one. So this is very easy question based on the ratio and proportions topic. It is related to ratio and proportions topic. Unfortunately, this is a percentage question. If 5% income of A is equal to 15% income of B and 10% income of B is equal to 20% income of C. If income of C is 2,000 rupees, then what is the total income of ABC? So just listen, very easy questions. So 5% is income of means into A is equal to 15% income of B. So percentage get cancelled. 5 one time, 5 three times. 5 one time, 5 three times. This implies A by B equal to 3 by 1. Yes, sir. Right, next. 10% of income of B is equal to 20% income of C. Percentage is 0, get cancelled. B by C equal to 2 by 1. So we have to find A is to B is to C. What is A is to B? 3 is to 1. B is to C? 2 is to 1. What is A is to B is to C? 3 2s are 6. 1 2s are 1 2. 1 1s are 1. So they're asking if C's income is 2000, one part value is given, that is 2000 rupees. One part value 2000 rupees. They're asking find the total income of ABC. ABC total income is 6 plus 8. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 parts equal to how much they are asking. One part value 2000. 9 2s are 18,000. 18,000 rupees. Total income of ABC is 18,000 rupees is the total income. Option B is correct. Simple. There is no difficulty here. But it is related to ratio and proportion stuff. Right? Easy. Next, if A's salary is the same question, this is also same question. Take a screenshot and try at your home. Okay, right. In an examination, 42% failed in Hindi and 52% failed in English. If 17% failed in the both the subjects, then find the pass percentage. So you can use set theory formulas. Number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Or otherwise, you can use logical Venn diagrams. Please comment the answer for this question. Please comment the answer for this question. Very dead easy question. Everybody can do this question. There are nearly 489 students. Please comment the answer. Very good, very good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Excellent. Super. 13%. Okay, no problem. How many subjects are there? Total 2 subjects are there. 2 subjects. One is Hindi, another one is English. So 42% are failed in Hindi, 52% are failed in English, 17% failed in both, 17% failed in both. Hindi, how much percentage is failed? 42% failed in Hindi. Already 72% failed in Hindi, already 17% failed. Remaining is 55%. Total Hindi, how much? Sorry, 42% failed. 42 minus 17. 25. Sorry, not for 55, 25. It's my bad. So 42% failed in Hindi. So 17% already covered. Remaining is what? 42 minus 17, 25. In Hindi, 52%. In English, 52% failed. Already 17% is counted here. Remaining is minus 17 means 35. So total in English, 17 plus 35, 52% failed. In Hindi, 25 plus 17, 42 fail. All are these failed percentage, failed batch. 35 plus 17 plus 25. How much? 77% is failed. But what is our target? They are asking pass percentage. Remaining pass percentage is what? Remaining pass percentage. 23% is pass percentage. Total percentage is 100. That's why remaining value is a 23% is a pass percentage. Yes or no? 23% is a pass percentage. Right? Simple. We can solve this question without using any formula. We can solve this question in a logical Venn diagram. Okay. Next question is also same. Can you try this one? Can you try this one? Please answer this question. Same question. Same question. Nice, nice. 23. Srija, very good. 23. Pushita, Priya, Priya, very good. What about remaining? There are total 400 above. Nearly 500 students are there in live. Please comment your answer. Very good, very good. Nice, nice. So in an examination, 70% passed in Hindi, 65% passed in English, 27% failed in both the subjects. They're asking find the pass percentage. Nice, 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 nice. Very good. Very good. Super. So listen. There are two subjects, same. One is a Hindi and next one is English. 27% failed in both the subjects. But here the thing is 70% passed in Hindi. They are giving the pass percentage. There is also 65% passed in English. But middle one is so intersecting one is they given failed. How do we solve this question? Simple. 70% passed means 30% are failed. Yes or no? 30% are failed. Already 27 covered. Just remaining 3. 65% are passed. Sorry, passed. That means 35% is what? Failed. So 27 already failed. So 35 minus 27 is what? Just only 8%. Right. English only failed 8%. Total English failed 35% Total Hindi failed 30%. All are these failed batch. Failed batch. Okay. Total sum is what? Total sum is what? 38% is failed batch. But they're asking failed. These are failed. They're asking pass percentage. 62% is pass percentage. Very good. Very good. Very good for your answers. 62% is pass percentage. There is no difficulty. Just apply your common sense. You'll get the answers. So this is the one of the most important one. They're asking the in so many placement exams. Very good. Nice. So in an examination, it is required to get 40% of marks to pass. Very good. A student get 212 marks and declared failed by 28 marks. What are the maximum aggregate marks a student can get? Tell me, what is the correct answer? 400 marks, 62. Okay, 62 is completed. Now tell me, what is the answer for this question? Okay, no problem. Listen, just listen this one. In an examination, it is required to get 40% marks or pass marks. So 40% is what? Just pass percentage. Pass percentage marks is 40. But a student get to 212 marks and declared failed by 28 marks. They're asking what is the maximum aggregate marks means what are the total marks in that examination. They're asking total marks in that examination. Okay, right, listen. So a student get 40% is pass, but a student get to 212 marks and declared failed by 28 marks. If he will get to 28 marks, then he will be pass. So these are the pass marks, just add the pass. That means 40% is equal to 40% is equal to 240 marks. They're asking 100% marks equal to how much? How much? 6 times 6 into 100, 600. Total marks in that examination is 600 marks. I already told you, don't think one question in one way. They are asking 3 different questions in this area. Have you all understood? So if you have any doubt, if I am saying any speed, just please pause the video and rewind the video. It is a live class already. It is stored in YouTube. You can watch this video so many times. You will get the confidence. Load for it. Okay, right. So next one. So same question. They are asking 3 different questions. What are the maximum marks? They are asking maximum marks. That is one question. They are asking pass marks. What are the pass marks? And pass percentage also. We may expect these 3 different type of questions in this area. You understand? Just answer this question. Very easy. This is also very easy question. You can do this question. I'll give 1 minute time. Right? What is the answer for this question? Yes, I'll give 1 minute time. Don't worry. Okay, super. How many questions are asking here? 3 questions or 1 question? Okay, very good. Nice, nice. Okay, no problem. I will explain here. Okay, listen. But they're asking not 3 questions. Their intention is they asked only 1 question. So listen, just observe the option. 38% is 38%. Here also 38% is 38%. That means pass percentage is 38%. Clear? So now two questions. Just observe the options. So here is the pass marks 800, 800, 800, 700. Either 800 or 700 maximum, whatever it is. But pass marks are 304, 505, 404, 304. If you find out to pass mark, your answer will become. Why? Because this is the unique answer. This is the different, all are different options. If you find out the pass marks, answer is complete. Okay, you need not to find out the three different questions. You can find only single question, that is a pass mark. If you find out pass mark, all questions is complete. But we will discuss all the questions here. Okay, right. Tell me. So in an examination, A gets 35% of total marks. So A is there. A gets 35% of total marks and failed by 24 marks. Unfortunately, he failed by 24 marks. At the same time, while B gets 40% of marks, B gets 40% of marks and gets 16 more marks than the pass marks. Then find the maximum marks, pass percent. Just listen. A student get 35% marks and declared failed by 24 marks. If he get 24 marks, then he will get pass. Yes, sir. Right. So coming to B, same time, B student got 40% marks and he get 16 more marks than the pass marks. If we subtract 16 marks in the 40%, then B is also pass. Both are pass marks. Thus we can equal the both pass marks. Okay, 35, 40, 5% difference. 5% is equal to how many marks? Minus 16. Take it from left side plus 16. Okay, 40. 5% is equal to 40. So what is our first question? Maximum marks. So 100% marks equal to how much? How much? 5 how many times? 8 times. 8 into 100, 800. So maximum marks are 800. One question is completed. Maximum marks is 8. Okay, right. Next, pass mark. So second question. What is the our aim? 5% marks equal to how many marks? 40 marks. Right. So they're asking pass marks. Take any one equation, either A's equation or B's equation. That's your choice. I take A's equation. So A get 35% marks, and if he get 24 marks, then A will be pass. Okay, right. They're asking pass marks. Pass marks. That means we are eliminate the percentage here. What is the 35% value in marks? Okay, 5. 7 times 7 4s 280. 280 marks. 35% marks equal to 280. And if he is a pass, then he will get 24 marks also. Then only he will be pass. What are the pass marks? 304 is the pass. So answer A is the correct. Yes or no? Maximum marks are 800. Pass marks are 300. Our last question. What is our last question? Third one. Pass percentage. 5% marks equal to 40. Yes sir. They're asking pass percentage. That means we have to eliminate the marks. You have to eliminate the marks. 24 marks equal to how much percentage? Right. 5 how many times? 8 times. 8 3 times. So 5% 24 marks equal to 3%. So pass percentage is what? 35 plus 3. 35 plus 3. That means 38% is the pass percentage. Yes, sir. These are the three different questions. That's why I'm saying if you do one question, don't think in one way. You have to think in 360 degrees. Then only you can answer all the questions very easily. Okay, right. Next one. I hope you have all understand this question. Okay, right. Next one. So a man spends 40% of his salary on food, 25% on house rent, 15% on clothing, and 5% on other expenses. If he saves at the end of the month is 1200 rupees, then find his salary. So salary means what? Salary means what? Expenditure plus savings is nothing but your salary. Expenditure plus your savings is nothing but your salary or income. Okay, these are all our expenditure. So a man spends 40% is on his food items. Food items he spend 40%. Right. Next 25% is on house rent. House rent he spends 25%. Right. Next 15% is on clothings. So clothings he spend 15%. Next 5% is on other expenses. Other expenses he spend 5%. So total expenditure is what? 40, 65, 70, 80, 85%. Total expenditure is 80%. Total salary is 100%. 80% is so expenditure 85% the expenditure. Okay, remaining 15% is his savings. 15% value is given. His savings at the end of the month is 1200 rupees. 15% is equal to 1200 rupees. They're asking the find his salary. That means a monthly salary. 100% value equal to how much? How much? Please comment the answer. Comment the answer. Please answer. 8,000 rupees is our answer. Option C. Right? Same question, but they're asking in different way. In a city, 66 to third percentage are Hindus, 25% of the rest are Muslims, 12.5% of the rest are Christians, and the rest are 1,10,000 or belong to all other religions. Then find the population of that city. What is the population of that city? First, do you understand the question clearly? First, you have to understand this question very clearly. Very good, Pavani. Lasya. Very good, Priya. Remaining all also comment your answer 8,000, 8,000. Very good, Tejaswini, Dhanraj, and Anil. Very good, excellent. Same question, same question. There is no difficulty here. Same way, same question, same answer. Nice. Okay, listen. 63, but here they are giving mixed fractions. 66 2/3 percentage value in fraction is what? 2 by 3. Simple. 25 percentage value in fraction? 1 by 4. 12.5 percentage value in fraction is what? 12.5%. 1 by 8. Just percentage to fraction conversion. Okay. So rest of the rest. Whenever you see these words of the rest or remaining, this is a method too. So they're asking the population of that city. That is our target. Do we know the population of the city? No, that is X. Actually, population of the city is 3 parts. In these 3 parts, 2 parts are Hindus. 2 parts are Hindus. Remaining are 1/3 part are the remaining. Yes or no? 1/3 part are the remaining. Here actually 25% remaining of the rest is Muslims. So actually 4 parts are people, 1 part is Muslims. Remaining are 3/4. Remaining are 3/4 are the remaining. Okay, right. Actually, total 8 parts are people are there. 1 part are Christians. What is the remaining people? 7 by 8. 7 by 8 is the remaining. So total remaining of the balance remaining people is how much? So 2,10,000 is the remaining. 2,10,000. They're asking what is the population of the city? 3 gets cancelled. 7 how many times? 3 4 zeros. Right? So 4 8s 9 6 4 zeros. 9,60,000. What is the population of the city? Population of the city is 9,60,000. Simple. So whenever you see this is the model number 2. Why? Because whenever you see these words of the rest, remaining, of the rest, this is model number. Okay, right. I hope you understand well. If you have any difficulty, please comment your doubts. Very good. Ashifa, and so many people are commenting. Very good answer. Nice, nice. Very good. Nice, nice. Excellent. Next one, election problems. So after this election, percentage topic will be completed. Okay, right. In an election between two candidates, 20% votes are declared invalid. So if winner gets 70% of the valid votes and won by 9,600 votes, then find the total number of votes. We generally see this word, so won, that is a majority. Won is nothing, won by 9,600 votes. Majority. We must know the meaning of the majority. What is the meaning of the majority? If there are two persons are there, for example, A gets 1,000 votes, B gets 1,200 votes. What is the majority between A and B? A and B majority votes is 200. Their votes are difference. So this is the difference. Difference. Majority is nothing but winner and loser votes difference is called as a majority. You must know this one. So won means 9,600 votes are majority. Then find the total number of votes. We can solve this problem either option verification method or general method. That is depends upon you. So, but we can do this problem in general way and as well as option verification methods. So, total number of votes is we don't know, that is X. 20% votes are declared invalid. How many votes are valid? 80% votes are valid. Yes, sir. Out of 100, 80% votes are valid. In which 70% got the winner gets 70% of votes. That means runner up get 30% of votes. So that means the majority is what? 40% is the majority. 40% majority votes is they are giving 9,600 votes. What is the total 100% of the votes? 100% of votes equal to how much? Whatever it is, 40% is the majority. So majority votes is 9,600. What is the X value? 100, 0 gets cancelled. 8, 1 time, 1,200 times. 4, 300 times and 2 zeros. So this implies total number of votes are 30,000. Simple. Total number of votes are 30,000. Simple. So we don't know the total number of votes, that is X. 20% votes are declared invalid. That means 80% votes are valid. So majority means winner gets 70% votes. Runner up get 30% votes. Their votes difference is called as a majority. So that is the 40% is majority. Majority votes are 9,006. So what are the total number of votes? 30,000 votes are the total number of votes. Simple. There is no difficulty there. Okay, right. Next one. Same question. Can you answer this one? Same question. There is no difficulty. Okay, we'll share the test link. Don't worry. After this class, we'll share the test link also. Nice, nice. Sham, just check your answer once again. Not option C. Just same question, but they're asking different ways. Or you can answer this question in reverse way also. Okay, very good, very good. So please regularly follow the classes. We'll give the all the classes for Infosys. So utilize this opportunity and write the test daily. Definitely you'll get the success in this area. Okay, right. So in an election between two candidates, 20% votes did not cast their votes, out of which 600 votes declared invalid, and winner gets 75% of the valid votes and won by 1,500 votes. Then find the total number of the voting list. We don't know, that is X. Okay. 20% votes are invalid. That means 80% votes are valid. Okay. In which 600 votes are declared invalid. Minus 600 votes. Okay. Winner gets 75%. 75% winner get. Runner up gets 25%. What is the majority here? What is the majority? 50% is the majority. Majority is a 50% out of majority votes are 1500. Yes, sir. In 50, 50, 2 times only. 2 into 1500, 3000. So 0 gets cancelled. 8x by 10 equal to 3600. So minus 600, take it from right side. 2 into 1500, 3000 to 3000 to plus 600 to 3600. If you simplify this one, you will get the answer. What is the answer? 4000. This implies x equal to. Okay, write the 8 how many times? 450 times. This implies x equal to 4500 volts. 4500 is the correct answer. Simple. There is no difficulty here. Simple, very good, easy. Right. Okay. Percentage topic is completed. Next, profit and loss. You can see the beauty here. So if you understand the percentage topic clearly, all these questions are very dead easy. We can complete this topic within 15 to 20 minutes, no doubt. So find the cost price of article which is sold at 1470 rupees at a profit of 16 2/3 percentage. Just understand the question. What is our target? We have to find out the cost price of the article. Cost price of the article, which was sold at 1470 rupees at a profit of 16 2/3 percent. Listen, listen. 16 2/3 percentage value in fraction is what? 16 2/3 percentage value in fraction. 1 by 6. Is it profit? Profit or loss? Profit. Profit means just we have to add. I already told you in the last class. Actually, it is a 6th part. One part is added. Now it is a 7 parts. 7 parts value is given. That is 1407. They are asking the cost price. I already told you denominator value is always original number, original value, total marks, big number, cost price. If it is a interest problem, that is a principal. 6 parts equal to how much? That is our question. 7 how many times? 7 twos, 7 ones. So 0, 6, 1260. Cost price of the article is 1260. Is it same or different? If it is a profit, just we have to add. If it is loss, we have to subtract. Only this, that is the concept. Remaining all questions are same. There is no difficulty here. Okay, right. Now tell me. A shopkeeper sells his article at 16 2/3 percentage profit on selling price. So profit or loss depends upon cost price or selling price, cost price. But in this case, he is saying on selling price. That's why we'll get the error. That's why they're asking find his actual profit percentage. Okay, right. 16 2/3 percentage value in fraction is again what? 1 by 6. 1 by 6. They're asking profit. This is the profit. On a selling price. This is the selling price. Okay. What is the cost price? If you sell the pen 6 rupees, you will get 1 rupee as a profit. What is the cost price? Cost price equal to 5 rupees. Simple difference. If you sell the pen 6 rupees, you will get 1 rupee as a profit. What is the cost price? Here the cost price is 6 minus 1. 5 rupees is the cost. So we'll easily find out the profit percentage equal to profit. What is the profit? 1 rupee. So by cost price is 5 rupees into 100. We'll get the profit percentage. 1 by 5 value in fraction is what? 20%. 20% is the actual profit percentage. In this problem, we can observe one more point also. So profit or loss depend upon selling price. It is less value. So profit is depend upon cost price. It is will get the more value. Okay. So if it is an article is sold at 16 2/3 percentage profit on selling price. Sorry, a shopkeeper sells his article at 16 2/3 percentage profit on selling price will get less value. Profit on selling price will get more value. Okay, so comparisons are important. If you know these comparisons without doing any calculation, we can answer the remaining questions. Okay, memory is important, knowledge is important here. Right, next question. A shopkeeper sells his goods at the 8 1/3 percentage profit on selling price. Then Find his actual profit percentage. Same question. There is no difficulty here. Same question. Can you try this one? Please answer this one. Very good. Very good. Same question. Same question. Just 8 1/3 percentage convert into fraction. You will get the answer. How to convert a percentage to fraction? Okay, no problem. I'll explain here. Don't worry. So 8 1/3 percentage. How do we convert into fraction? 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25 by 3. Whenever you see this percentage symbol, you have to divide it by 100. You have to divide it by 100. Remember this point. 25 in 100, 4 times. 4 3s are 12. So 8 1/3 percentage value in fraction is 1/12. Okay, right. Profit. This is a profit. On selling price, this is the selling price. So if I sold it at 12 rupees, I'll get 1 rupee as a profit. What is the cost price here? Cost price is 11 rupees. So whenever you know the cost price, we can find out the actual profit percentage. Profit, how much is profit here? 1 rupee. Out of cost price is 11 rupees. Profit by cost price into 100. 1 by 11 is 9 1 by 11 percentage is the correct answer. So 100 by 11 is nothing but 9 1 by 11 percentage is the actual profit percentage. Yes or no? Right? Okay, super nice. Next one. Same question. The cost price of 16 articles is equal to selling price of the 14 articles. Then find his profit or loss percentage. Just understand the question. There is no difficulty. Cost price of 16 half means into 16 articles is equal to selling price half means into 14 articles. So 2 8 times to 2 7 times. That means that implies cost price by selling price equal to 7 by 8. If you so cost price of the pen is 7 rupees. If you sold it 8 rupees, then you will get profit is 1 rupee. Yes, sir. Profit is 1. Cost price of the pen is 7 rupees. If you sold it 8 rupees, then you will get profit 1 rupees. Therefore, profit percentage equal to profit is how much? 1 rupee. Profit by cost price is what? 7. Profit by cost price into 100. 1 by 7 value in fraction is what? 14 2 by 7 percentage. 14 2 by 7 percentage. Option D is the correct. Simple. There is no difficulty here. But you must know the percentage to fraction, fraction to percentage conversion. Why? Because this is a company specific training. That's why I won't give pin to pin information to you. If you want any detailed information, so in our YouTube channel, there are so many recorded videos are there. So you can watch in that playlist. Okay, right. If you have any, sir, it is a very speed to me. Just pause the video and rewind the video. You will get the clarity. Okay, right. 14 2 by 7 percentage. Very good, Nasma. Very good. And next one. So I hope you will understand very easily these type of questions. This is also same question. So we can use these questions either formula way or general way or butterfly way, whatever it is. General concept. A shopkeeper sells at 9% loss. Had he sold it 960 rupees more, then he would gain 7%. Find the initial cost price of the article. So how do we find out the initial cost price of the article? Simple. Do you know the initial cost price of the article? I don't know. Let it be 100. This is a 100 method. Next method. Okay, right. So cost price of the article is 100 rupees. A shopkeeper sells it 9% loss. First of all, hello, remember one thing I already told you in the starting. You must understand the question first. what are the data given, what is our target. You must be aware of these two. If you know these two things, process is very dead easy. You can answer each and every question very easily, no doubt at all. Okay, listen. So initial cost price, I take 100 rupees. A shopkeeper sells it 9% loss. That means he sold it to 91 rupees. Yes, sir. 9% loss means 91 rupees. Had he sold it 960 rupees more, then he would gain. Gain means we have to add 7%. 100 on 7% gain is 107 rupees. So here, how much is more? Actually, it is a 91 rupees. Now you sold it 107 rupees. Both are selling prices. How much is more? How much is more? 107, 91. Difference is what? 107, 91. Difference is what? 16 parts are more. Yes or no? 16 parts are more. For these 16 parts, how much is more? 960 is more. 960. So 16 parts equal to 960. What is the one part value? 60. So one part value is 60. So we know that initial cost price of the article equal to 100x. 100x. X value is here 60. 100 into 60, 6,000 rupees. But don't worry, options are wrong. Take it is a 6,000 rupees. So option D is the correct. Okay, right. Initial cost price, let it be initial cost price 100. 100x. So 100 into one part value is 60. 100 into 60, 6,000 rupees is the initial cost price of the article. Same question, just I add one line. This is a bloody one line. If you cross this one line, you will get the success. Okay, just give the answer for this question. Simple, very easy. But remember one thing. Sometimes you feel very difficulty here. So, but you will get good success. Okay, don't worry. Questions are sometimes easy, sometimes difficult, sometimes are moderate. But you don't worry. Practice the more number of questions, more number of questions. Definitely you will get the success. Okay, right? Tell me. What is the answer for this question? Option D, 650. Very good. Same procedure. I won't change the procedure. Whatever it is a procedure, but I want the answer. So test is based on this model or different model. Whatever it is, I don't want any model or different method. You can follow the all the ways, but answer is important. Easy, anyone can confirm. What confirm here? Is this AR music? And is your doubt AR music? Sweet. What is your doubt? Oh, helpful. Right answer is 600, 650. Okay, right, listen. A shopkeeper sells his goods at a 20% profit. Had he sold it to 10% loss and sold it 18% less, then he would gain 13%. Then find his initial cost price. So let it be take initial cost price of the article is 100 rupees. Right? So a shopkeeper sells a 20% profit. Profit means just we have to add 120. Profit means 120. Now it is 120. Had he sold it to 10% loss, 100 on 10% loss is 90. We know these are two steps. So just add one line. Sold it for 18 rupees less, then he would gain 30%. Sold 30% of 90 is what? Then he would gain 30%. 30% of 90 is what? 27 rupees. Gain means just we have to add. 90 plus 27 is what? 90 plus 27. 90 plus 27 is what? 117. Very good. 117. So listen, actually selling price is 120 rupees. Now it is 117 rupees. How much is less? 3 rupees less. For these 3 rupees, how much is less here? 18 rupees is less. 18 rupees is less. One part is how much? 18 by 3? 6 rupees. They're asking initial cost price. Initial cost price is what? 100x. Therefore, initial cost price of the article is 100 into 6, 600 rupees. Very good, very good, excellent. 600 rupees is the correct answer. So, who are comment in the comment box? 600, those are correct answer. Very good. So only 5 minutes time is there. The profit earned when the article is sold 800 rupees is 20 times loss incurred when it is sold for 275 rupees. Find at what price he sold his goods. He want to earn 20% profit. First, do you understand this question? Do you understand this question? Read clearly. I'll give 1 minute time. Just understand the question. I don't want answer. Just understand the question. If you understand this question, answer is very dead easy. Just I will give 1 minute time. Very easy. The profit end when the article is sold for 800 rupees. Please comment this. That's right. Share the, we'll give the in description link. Okay. At the end of the class, we'll give the test link also. Okay. Right. Don't worry. Okay. Just read the question. The profit end when the article is sold for 800 rupees is 20 times loss incurred. When it is sold for 275 rupees. So do you know the cost price? Just we don't know the cost price. Cost price is here. We don't know the cost price. If you sold it 800 rupees, if you sold it 800 rupees, you will get a profit. Profit, you will get profit. Is if you sold it to 275 rupees, you will get a loss. Okay, you will get a loss. So 20 times is a loss incurred. 20 times is a loss incurred. That means profit, if it is profit 20 rupees, loss is a one part. Profit one part, 20 parts. If it is profit 20 part, loss is one part. That means total how many parts? So take the just differences, these two differences. What is the difference? So 800 to 275 difference is what? 525 difference. Total how many parts? 20 plus 1, 21 parts value equal to 525. One part value 525 by 21. That is how much? What is the difference? One part value equal to what? 25. 25, 21 sir. 525. One part value is 20. So loss 1 into 25, 25 rupees is loss. 1 into, so 20 into 25, 500 rupees is profit. So if you sold it 800 rupees, then you will get profit 500 rupees. What is the cost price? 300 rupees. If you sold it to 275 rupees, 25 rupees is loss. What is the cost price? 300 rupees. They are asking, find the price. He sold his goods if you want to earn 20%. So cost price is 300 rupees. If he want to 20% profit, what is it? 20% profit on 300 is what? 20% profit on 300 is what? 360 rupees. 360 rupees. If he sold it 360 rupees, then he will get 20% profit. Just understand this is a butterfly method, but there is no butterfly method, just easy. First of all, you have to find out the cost price. Just understand the question. The profit end when the article is sold 800. If you sold it 800, we don't know the cost price. If you sold it 800, you will get profit. If you sold it 275, you will get loss. So loss is a 20 times loss incurred when it is sold. That means 20 times loss. Profit 20 times loss one. So total 21 parts. So take the difference 800 to 275. Difference is 525. 525 parts equal to 21. One part value 525 by 21, 25 times. So 1 into 25, 25 rupees is loss. 1 into 20 into 25, 500 rupees is a profit. So if you sold 800 rupees, you will get 500 rupees as a profit. What is the cost price? 800 minus 500, 300. If you sold it 275, 25 rupees is a loss. So what is the cost price? 275 plus 25, 300 rupees is the cost price of the option. Extra, they are asking if you want to earn 20% profits, how much he is sold. So cost price is 300 rupees. 20% profit on 300 is 360 rupees. If he sold 360 rupees, then he would gain 20% is a profit. That is the question. Okay, right. So next questions we'll discuss in the next session. So don't miss the next session. I will explain the all puzzle based questions. Okay, right. We'll discuss in the next class. Thank you. If you have any doubts or any other technical issues, please ask me. I will clarify you. And the text link will be in the description box. You can take the text link and daily write the exams also. And like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. We'll give the total information. Utilize these 10 days. This is the best way to learn the Infosys. You crack definitely Infosys exam. Okay. Wish you all the best. Thank you.